Right, gonna test this little £20 amplifier out. I won't say anything during the music. I tried the recording earlier and it was terrible. So let's try Bluetooth. Turn the amp on. Should connect up fairly quickly. So,
Bluetooth mode.
right, I'll wait for it to connect. Which it should do. Yep, there it is. Right, let's grab a music track that's not copyright protected. Right, okay. So amplifier is on half volume, and if I go up to 30 on my Bluetooth, it will distort it. So I leave it at 25, and that's at 50% volume. And then I'll go up to full. Right, yeah, that's pretty loud. Okay, Bluetooth. So, yeah, it works, sort of thing. Let's try aux cable now. Cheap, crappy cable we got with it. Now, earlier tests, I got ground noise from this, and I'll show you anyway. And if we listen carefully, we should hear it.
AUX mode.
Pretty obvious, I think. Turn your volume up on the video player and your speakers up. You'll hear there's a hum. But I put that down to cheap, crappy cable.
Bluetooth mode.
So I've got a better cable here. Not much better. It's still reasonably cheap. About £4 or £5 I paid for this years ago.
AUX mode.
Volume's on at 50%. And now there's no hum. If I turn it back up, let's check. Yeah, no hum at all. So let's start the track off again from the beginning. Let's play another 30 seconds or so. Right. So yeah. Volume, headphones. Now I know I can go up full volume, but let's just go up to 25 out of 30. Let's play that. Right. Amplifies at half volume.
My time is yours.
Full volume.
My time is yours. Could you be more specific? My time is yours. Could you be more specific? My time is yours.
Right. There you go. So yeah, not bad. But not bad at all. For a cheap £20 odd amplifier. Complete sacrilege to connect it to these two speakers, but you know, I've got no use for them, and my friend will use them very well, and he can't afford to buy a proper amp, so this would fit the job. But I will be digging at him to buy a better amp at some point.